and welcome back to a brand new Wig Vid. In today's Wig Vid video, we are going to be reviewing another Etsy wig. Let me show you. The brand of this wig is Forever Young, and as you can see it says, "Style Your Beauty." Whoa! It's a little late in the evening, and then as you open the package, you find it's actually empty because I took it out. I couldn't help myself. I had to see it. But let me show you what packaging it came in. It pulls out. It had these nice cardboard little fillers. It came with the round piece, and it had the stuffing black thing tag. It was packaged very nicely. And by the way, the name of this wig is called Cowgirl. The picture that I purchased the wig off of is right up here for your reference, and I'll be right back with that wig on. One more thing before I go and try on the wig, I want to show you how the inside looks, because for me it's really important to know what the inside looks like so I can know if it's going to look natural around the parting, or how comfortable it might look. This is the wig just out of the box. It does have bangs. This wig is not a lace front, and for the price I'm surprised that I got it. The really good thing about this one is the part, it does not look bad. It doesn't look all weird and unnatural, and it doesn't look all plasticky. Some of these wigs that don't have the lace front and don't have any kind of lace parting, just once you see the part, it's over. You're like, oh, this is a wig I'm gonna wear with a hat. As I was getting ready to put the wig on, I realized I didn't really show you the full inside. So the full inside is just the full wig. It has a tag right here, which I don't know if it's going to be itchy. But it also does have the straps that make it adjustable, and if you are not sure how to adjust those straps or what they're for, I do have a video. I'll post it at the end, and you can see the picture right here of what to do with those bad boys. I really like it. Even though it doesn't have a lace front and it doesn't have lace parting, I think it looks very natural. The bangs were longer, so I had to pull them to the side. And as you can see, the hair is layered on the sides and kind of throughout the whole thing. And one thing I really like about this wig is first of all, it's not super long, because super long wigs can sometimes look like wigs because like most people don't grow their hair that long. And let me show you the back. There you go. And that is what this wig looks like. So I want to ask you to do me a couple favors. First, I do work very hard on my videos, and your subscription would mean the world to me. It would help me out a ton. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, then give me a thumbs down. But just let me know if you liked this content, and I would love feedback. I would love comments. Let me know what you think of the wig. This is my third Etsy wig video, so I have this one up here. Is it up there? Okay, it's up there. And then I have this one up here. Hope it's not off the screen. You can watch next, and I will link them in the description and at the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you in the next video. Hugs and kisses, and peace out!